I'm an occupational therapist and academic fieldwork coordinator at CSU OT department. And I've been here for over 30 years. So we've established really important relationships with our fieldwork educators and sites over the years. And the value of advising students to help match them with fieldwork educators has been really important. And so now that I'm shifting toward retirement over the next year, I'm looking forward to working with my replacement, who's Allison Herman.
I am so excited to be at Colorado State University. I have been an occupational therapy practitioner, primarily in adult settings, for about the past 20 years. And I've also had the privilege of being an academic fieldwork coordinator for the past 7 years. I really look forward to continuing the commitment to excellence that Patty has established. I think that fieldwork is really the key that unlocks the door for students becoming practitioners. I also really love and value working with the fieldwork sites and the relationships built between the university, the students, and the fieldwork sites.